Hey everyone, welcome on our channel. Hope you guys doing great. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today I will tell you best and user-friendly software for editing in MacBook. It is available on App Store. It is VN. So I already installed this. And I am also using for edit my YouTube video. It is very easy to use and edit your video. And this app have hundreds of feature like these effect and these trim duplicate and many more option. These element option. Text options. On default sound set. Speed limit. When you use it you will love this because it is very easy to use. I will show you my project. This is my Vedio. Actually it is a short video. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time and do subscribe.